Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover what really works in the world of beauty. Today, I'm taking a close look at the AmazingCosmetics Amazing Concealer. This is a cream concealer designed for full coverage, aiming to tackle dark circles, blemishes, spots, and uneven skin tones, all while promising a natural skin-like finish. The shade I'm reviewing is medium beige, and it's formulated to work on all skin types. From the outset, this concealer is presented as a precision product. You only need a pin dot amount to cover imperfections, which is intriguing because it suggests a highly concentrated formula. Its creamy texture feels dense but blendable, and it claims to offer long wear without caking or settling into fine lines. In my testing, I applied it under my eyes, on minor blemishes, and on some areas with uneven tone. The coverage is impressive. Just a tiny amount does a lot. It blends beautifully with a brush or a fingertip, and the finish genuinely looks natural. I noticed it didn't accentuate dryness under the eyes, which is a common problem with full coverage concealers. It stayed in place throughout the day without fading or creasing excessively, even through a morning coffee run and a midday Zoom meeting. On blemishes, it offered excellent opacity, but for really stubborn dark spots, I found layering a little more gave optimal results without looking heavy. One thing I appreciated is the creamy yet lightweight consistency. It doesn't feel mask-like, which can be a concern with some full coverage products. However, the applicator isn't included, so you'll need a brush or clean fingertips to get the best results. Pros: outstanding coverage with minimal product, a natural finish that doesn't look cakey, and impressive longevity on both under eye and blemish areas. Cons: the price point is on the higher side, and without an applicator, there's a small learning curve if you want precise placement. In terms of value, I think it's justified if you're someone who prioritizes long-wearing, high-coverage concealers that still look like skin. Compared to other premium concealers, it holds its own in coverage and finish, though some drugstore options might come close at a fraction of the cost, though they often compromise on longevity or natural blending. The packaging is sleek and simple, with a solid build that feels professional. Because of its concentrated formula, a little goes a long way, which could stretch the value over time. If you're looking for alternatives at a lower price point, you might consider drugstore concealers with similar medium beige shades, but keep in mind that most won't offer the same skin-like finish or staying power. For high-end performance and a polished look, this concealer definitely delivers. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, AmazingCosmetics Amazing Concealer is a strong contender for anyone seeking a full coverage product that blends seamlessly and lasts throughout the day. It shines especially for those struggling with dark circles or uneven skin tones and who don't want a heavy, unnatural look. If you're willing to invest a bit more for that flawless, natural finish, this concealer is well worth it. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.